everybody. I know it's been about a year since I've made a video. Since the last time I made a video, I've moved, and this is the ceiling fan that was installed in our kitchen. We took it down, and I got it for my bedroom. This is a 52-inch Cool Breezes Castaway. It has what is called a telecoder wall control. So, yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. It has a switch on it for power. It has a light, which does not dim. I can hold it down, but it does nothing. Not sure if you can see it, so I'll keep the light on. It has, this fan is really heavy. It weighs about, I think, 35 pounds, maybe 40. It's pretty heavy. I think the motor housing and the switch cup are made out of cast iron. The motor's pretty thick. It has an aluminium flywheel. I think it has a universal motor in it. Stocked blades. Blades are more based on pitch. Let's do low speed. It's like it's not original. I have a good bit of ceiling fan since last time I filmed. The fan's quite powerful. This one doesn't go really fast, but it has a lot of blade pitch. It wobbles a bit. The blades on this thing are crazy warped. And here's high speed. There's a switch here for reversing it. It's all messed up. It's quiet. And there's off. It's a pretty beautiful fan. There's wicker blades on it. On the swag kit, the controls just sits here on the table next to my door. The switch lamp. There's a fluorescent lamp on the wall. Flip the switch off. Bearings on this thing are pretty good. This thing never gets turned off. I just cleaned it before the video. I've been pretty bored over this whole quarantine thing. Well, it's been down. This thing must have really good bearings. So, let's put it back on low speed. Pretty nice looking fan. This isn't really a brass that the motor housing the blade arms are. It looks more like a nickel. Down rod's the same color as that. It's like it's an original for the white switch cup, but I put the light key on it. It doesn't do anything if you press the button. I like this song. Do high speed. High speed, I tell you. The cycle for the speeds. I don't think I can do 0 to high on this. I don't know how to go right up to high speed. So there's my 52-inch Cool Breezes Castaway 52 ceiling fan. I think this thing is from the mid 80s, late 80s, maybe even 90s. I don't really know. Thank you very much for watching.